Okay, guys, today I will be opening Calico Critters bunk beds and Calico Critters Hops family. We're going to open this one first. I'm not a very good unboxer. Just telling everybody out in the world. There's like this card thing. I don't know what is. This. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get these bunny rabbits out. These rabbits. Okay, I got Mama out. See Mama? She's so cute. She has like this apron thing on. I don't know what it is. Let's get her out. This girl. Here is this little girl. She's also really cute. She has this flower thing. See it? See what I'm pointing at? Okay, so we're gonna unbox this. Yep. I got Daddy Hoppy. He's also really cute. He has this tie thing on. And these red buttons are pretty. I got this boy out. He also has a cute little suit on with the red buttons. I got this out. It's a really cute scene. See it? Never play with scissors, guys. Okay, we're gonna be opening the bunk beds next. See how cute that is? There's two. So this is getting opened. Oh, it's already opened. Okay. So this. So we have to assemble this. And it's not that hard to assemble this because there's not a lot of things in this set. Okay. I'm getting it open. So, we have this mattress for this bed with a pinky blanket. See the cute little mattress that has roses on it? And this cute little pink pillow goes right here. See it? Okay. So, the blue bed. Now this one goes here, which I got it the wrong way. And this blanket goes here, right here. Like that. And then this pillow. See? And then we gotta put that like this. And we're just gonna put this right there. Ta-da! Ready. See it? Pretty nice. Here's the little girl. She's going up here. She can lay down in this comfy bed. Here comes the boy. He gets to be at the bottom. You can't really get him under there, so I guess the girl's just gonna have to stay up there. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This is the best channel ever. You should definitely give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Click the bell button. Bye!